next.
22 News reporter Taylor DiCello is live at Bradley International Airport with what passengers have experienced there so far.
The last flight out of Bradley this morning left at 8:15 to Minneapolis, and it was only one of 2 flights that actually took off this morning.
So direct flight to Orlando, be at Disney World noon and hit the parks, and now we're going to Minnesota.
Sound familiar?
Our flight got canceled because of the snow.
It's a story shared by nearly every passenger who was supposed to fly out of Bradley International Airport Thursday. Some stranded in Connecticut because of the storm. One family turned to other options when their flight into Bradley was canceled in Washington, D.C.
As we were waiting in line to check in, they canceled our flight, and so we just got as close or as far north as we could and just started driving.
And while the snow canceled many people's plans, there were a lucky few who were able to catch those last on-time flights.
The board only has 2 flights that are not canceled, so we got a little lucky today.
For some, it's their first stroke of luck as they make their way down the snow-covered East Coast.
As of now, we think it's still on, so hopefully, we're not stranded in Atlanta.
But for the Evans family, it's back in the car.
And drive the remaining 2 hours back home.
As you can see, most of the flights this afternoon are canceled, but there are a couple of evening flights. There's one at 5:10 to Minneapolis and another one at 5:55 to Atlanta that are both on time. But it's still snowing pretty hard out there and the visibility is low. People at Bradley International Airport tell us that there's still a chance that those flights could be canceled. And if they are canceled, we have a flight tracker for you on wwlp.com so that you can check your flight before heading out to the airport today. Live at Bradley International Airport, Taylor DiCello, 22 News.